How sound effects are made. Ever wondered how movies make bone-crunching punches or squeaky footsteps? Foley artists are the wizards behind the scenes, turning everyday items into iconic sounds. Let's dive into their noisy world, and yes, they probably use celery for that crunch. Footsteps. Different shoes and surfaces create the perfect step sounds. Punches. Often made by smashing fruits or slapping raw meat. Rain sounds. Simulated using rice on tin sheets or plastic wrap. Creaking doors. Hinges and wooden chairs make the ideal creak. Fire. Cellophane crumpled in the right rhythm mimics crackling flames. Bird calls. Instruments like ocarinas or whistles imitate birdsong. Animal sounds. Foley artists layer sounds to create unique animal noises. Explosions. Created by combining firework recordings with low-frequency rumbles. Space sounds. Synthesizers mimic the imagined sound of space phenomena. Breaking glass. Recorded using sugar glass for safety. Ocean waves. A mix of recordings and manipulated white noise. Rustling clothes. Made with fabric to match on-screen movements. Sci-Fi weapons. Laser sounds often come from metal striking springs. Foley artists bring stories to life, using creativity to craft sounds that captivate audiences. Their work reminds us that even the smallest details can have a massive impact. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.